Hey guys, it's Carla again, and this weekend is supposed to be very wet. It's supposed to be the wettest weekend in 7 years. It's so wet. It looks like a good day. So today most of the video is going to be inside my house, and yeah. This is my dad's work too, and look at all the water on the back. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun now. That wood is cold. Handprints. The rest of today's video will be inside. Let's get started.
Nice shoes, Carla. Thongs and socks. Good look.
My feet will get cold. Every year I get an advent calendar to open until the 25th of December because that's Christmas Day. And today's the 2nd, and yesterday I opened number 1 and it came with this character. Her name's Stephanie. Sometimes it would either come with chocolates or Lego like I did, and this year I got Lego. Today's the 2nd, so today we're going to open the number 2 window. Let's get started. I'll move you out the way, and I need to tip it this way so I can do it properly. Wonder what it's gonna be. Ooh, this seems fun. Oh. Here's my instructions on the inside. Let's get building. So. Looks like that goes on top like this is what it looks like, and you can move the handles forwards or backwards. It has skid marks for this, and it goes around and around, and it stops right there. Now it's time to help Mum build the Christmas tree. that I made at school. Thanks everyone for subscribing. Cause just over a few hours, like less than like a day I'd say, I found out yesterday that I got 25 new subscribers. So you 25 new subscribers, I hope you enjoy. But since we've gone over 100, I have a new URL, whatever it's called, and instead of it being so long, like longer than my name, we've changed it to youtube.com/c/Carla again.
And why did we make it Carla again?
Because every video I say, hey guys, it's Carla again. That's my favourite thing to do in the videos. And that's why we did it Carla again. And now it will be much easier for you guys to remember. Jump, 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 jump. Yeah. It's still raining, so I came out for a drink. Okay, let's go back inside. Jump, 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 jump. I'm dizzy.
Wet, Ernie. I feel very, very, very wet, Ernie.
Now we're in my hallway, and I saw another girl on YouTube trying to climb her walls, and I thought I would try it myself. And I can do it, so I'm here today to show you guys how good I am. My voice is echoing. Let's get started. But I can't move my head like any higher. I can only move my feet. Go underneath. Thanks for watching my rainy day video, and I just want to give another big thank you to all them new 25 subscribers for getting me to 112 subscribers. And bye, see you in my next video. Hope you enjoyed.